Hi everyone, this is Gautam
Hi friends, this is Ashwin
from 6th standard
in St. Mother Teresa Vidya Niketan English Medium High School.
from Karnal,
Today we like to tell states and capitals.
Andhra Pradesh,
Amaravati,
Arunachal Pradesh,
Itanagar,
Assam,
Dispur,
Bihar,
Patna,
Chhattisgarh,
Raipur,
Goa,
Panaji,
Gujarat,
Gandhinagar,
Haryana,
Chandigarh,
Himachal Pradesh,
Shimla,
Jharkhand,
Ranchi,
Kerala, Karnataka,
Bangalore,
Kerala,
Thiruvananthapuram,
Madhya Pradesh,
Bhopal,
Maharashtra,
Mumbai,
Manipur,
Impal,
Meghalaya,
Shillong,
Mizoram,
Aizawl,
Nagaland,
Kohima,
Odisha,
Bhubaneswar,
Punjab,
Chandigarh,
Rajasthan,
Jaipur,
Sikkim,
Gangtok,
Tamil Nadu,
Chennai,
Telangana.